Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails, and in this video we are going to do a silicone hand. Now, I have nails on, so I can't do it on myself. So we're going to do it on the fabulous Dawn. Because Dawn has beautiful hands, and if you look at Dawn's nails, she's already got a really long natural nail bed, and I have got really horrible hands. They're really horrible. So, we don't want to clone my hand. We're going to do Dawn's. And we're going to use these fantastic things that are made for cloning willies. Adam's had one for him. Yeah, I've bought two because I'm guessing a hand's bigger than a well, debatable.
I don't even know what to say in this video.
Yeah, so, well, we've got two. I've never done this before. It could go all wrong. It could be, really bad. But I want to have a go, and we're going to film it and show you how, or how not to.
So why did you opt for the light skin tone?
Do you know what? I didn't even notice there was a skin tone thing on it, to be honest. So I mean, I'm pale, a bit sunburnt at the minute, look at all them freckles. But yeah, so I don't even know how light it's going to be. I didn't even notice any other colours. I was a bit embarrassed in the shop, to be honest, and just sort of grabbed them and left.
You just grabbed some willies in the shop?
Yeah, I just grabbed them and left quite promptly. Okay, we are in Handley Potteries shopping centre, and we are going to Ann Summers to find Clone the Willy. Here we go. Where are the Willy clones? You want this?
We'll take it to the post office now, we'll get a receipt there. Alright. Perfect, thank you very much. Alright, see you later. Was that all taken off? So we know.
We've got it! Let's go play! So, and have to strange looks off people, but hello, never mind. So let's open it up and see. Oh, look at this, there's some instructions there. This is a nice picture here. So very attractive, yeah. Let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, I don't think we'll be using that tube because unless you have a tiny hand, we won't be able to use that. But let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, see, is this the light? Oh, it looks like warm beige. It looks like a warm beige colour, doesn't it? There. Okay, so we've got this pot of whatever that is. This pot of whatever that is. We'll find out what it is in a minute. Oh.
What's that?
Oh, right, okay. Shall we get out the bag?
I don't think we should put this bit on the channel.
So, if you were making a penis, vibrating one, you would put this inside. We don't need that. So, we have got some powder. Don't know what that's for. A thermometer.
What?
A thermometer. Don't know what that's for, yeah. Spatula. I better read this. It says attention. Come on. attention, this kit may contain our new quick setting silicone, which means you wrap you're ready. I've just had a vision, sorry. Which means your replica might be fully cured and ready to use from the mould in just an hour.
Remove, it says, not use.
Oh, sorry.
You're
Ready
getting a
to
bit-
remove from the mould in just an hour instead of overnight. Well, that's good because, we need to do this quickly. So we haven't got all day. Be sure you have 2 jars of silicone thoroughly mixed and pour into the mould. So within 5 minutes. So we need someone to mix this in. It's body safe. It's not going to hurt anybody.
Well, that's a good job, isn't it?
But it's a slightly different ratio to make it work faster. So is this... So that's the stuff you put in then, the
So
silicone.
that's the plaster cast, I think.
Is it? It says
That's-
quick setting silicone.
Right.
I thought the silicone was the...
The silicone's the plasticky, the tubs.
Right, let's have a look. Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of an original Clone a Willy.
Well, it's not really original if it's a clone.
You are right. See, now when I get instructions, I don't really read them more. I just look at the diagrams and sort of go with that. And I think that's what I'm going to do. So, we're not doing a willy, we're doing a hand. Oh, so the water's got to be 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's why we need the thermometer. And we're not far off that now. So it's got to be like lukewarm. I would say that is. So you put that in, you mix that mix for 45 seconds. Pour into the container. So the makeshift container that I've got together is the inside of a bin, a little bin, and a plastic bag. So in my head, the theory was you put the plaster cast kind of thing, whatever that is, in first. Don't want to put a hand in. Let it set. Take a hand out. Pour in the silicone. Job's a good one. Then it says, hold the tube against your body. Try not let your penis touch the sides of the tube. So try not let your hand touch the sides of the inside of that. You'll begin to feel the moulding gel start to solidify. Oh, I bet that's a lovely sensation. Once the gel has hardened, gently remove your penis from the container. So you'll remove your hand from the container, from our makeshift container. I'm telling you because you've got to help me here, Dawn. You've got to, you know what I mean? You've got to be with me on this one. If it goes wrong, not only is it my fault, it will be yours. You will take blame, okay? In a disposable container. Do we have a disposable container? We'll find one. We'll find something. Mix the 2 jars of silicone together.
But you're going to have to do 4.
Okay. So, okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, it doesn't smell or nothing. I thought it'd smell. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Looks like gel. We don't want to make the hand vibrate, do we?
That'll make it really difficult to do nails on.
Somebody that doesn't keep still, like lots of my clients that don't keep still. But yeah, we want to make this easy. We're not going to put that in. Bit nervous about this. Let's get it all out. We've got to get both of the tubes. So we need... Someone mix these in.
Right.
Can we have a mixing bowl, please?
Aha!
Ow! Jokes.
And that's what you do.
Oh, look what I've done.
This is like that game, it's like, right, Kirsty has 3 jugs of varying sizes. She has to fill this one to exactly this level. Right, just do
Right,
it.
well that's 500. So what do I need to do now? I got
830. Sorry, 330 after that.
330. Right,
Yeah.
330. Okay. Let's put
Right. What's the temperature?
See, when I bake, I don't don't do this. I just eyeball it.
You big.
Yeah.
So how long does this take to set?
I don't know. No, we'll find out.
It's going to go really wrong.
That temperature's like a baby's bath.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's go then.
So today we'll be baking
Penis.
peanut pie with a dash of fingernail.
Oh,
It doesn't smell too nice, this doesn't. It's very lumpy. It's a bit like cottage cheese. Oh dear.
if you tilt the ball.
Oh, all right, chef. Master chef over here.
You never whisked eggs before.
There we are. Yeah, 'cause it's got to be smooth, hasn't it? It said now do it said do it for 45 seconds. Maybe we should have timed it. Oh well. Oh, Dawn, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Now, lots of the hand moulds that I've seen, like these, not hand moulds, the silicone hands I've seen, have actually only got 4 fingers.
Why?
I don't know, and for 200 quid, you'd want a thumb as well, wouldn't you? Yeah, you'd want your money's worth, wouldn't you? So, yeah, they've only got, God, this is quite tiring. Do you think this is done?
It's been more than 45 seconds.
Has it? Right,
Yeah.
okay. Do you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then spatula it in.
I'm just going to tip it in.
Yeah, well, I mean, make sure you get it all.
Yeah. You ready? Now I scrape out as much as I can. Oh my God, it's going everywhere. Right.
Do you think there's enough in there?
Well, we're going to do this, aren't we?
Oh,
I think we're going to... I wanted it in... Oh dear. This could all go wrong. I don't think there is enough in there, is there?
well, when she puts her
Empty
hand
that
in, it'll
pot. Empty that plastic, that one,
Is.
yeah. Just dump it on the bed. Or wherever. That's it. Yeah, I don't think it looks like there's enough.
Yeah, but when she puts her hand in, that'll spread it all out.
Ah, I think this pot's going to work better anyway, so we'll try.
Really?
Do you not think?
It's a bit small.
Well, let's try.
Oh, God.
Put your, right. Put your hand in. Go on, quick, it's going into it.
That's...
Sit in the bottom. Right, we'll come up a little bit.
Pull the bag back.
This is, it's made mould already. Oh my God, it's gone hard already.
Push it down a bit more. I can go down a bit more than that now.
It's gone hard already.
Viagra?
How's that gone hard already?
It's like acrylic. That goes out pretty quick.
The thumb's not really in.
Wow.
Squish it up that side.
Which side?
Me.
Hmm.
No.
It's hard, isn't
No.
it?
In a minute. I've shoved it down a bit more.
But I can feel your fingers here. It's not worked, because look, it's not even, it's like all cracked and everything. It's not worked. At
No
all.
way.
Honest to God. Look down here. It's like not sat next to the skin. I think you could probably take it out. Look, it's not all round there or anything.
And take it out.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. I think you'd need 4 of them. Don't you think you'd need 4?
Yeah.
It's not even like, when you look at it, it's not inside, it's not even smooth.
Right.
It's all gritty.
Hey Siri.
That's shocking, isn't it? That is really bad. I can't believe that. Look what you look inside. It's all bitty.
And it does, it feels gritty.
It's not even smooth. Look. It all falls to pieces.
Well, we followed the instructions properly. Colour, like for mixture wise.
Yeah. Well, what an epic fail. So what we're going to do?
You're going to say to the camera, Adam has sorted this. See you in a bit.
Well, I think that's an epic fail. But Adam's come up with an idea. So we're going to try that. See you in a bit. There's no batteries?
No.
Oh, you've noted that, as it
I've
says.
noted that, yeah.
Battery's
One
not
AA
included.
battery not included.
Right, so...
How many?
One.
One AA battery.
Yeah.
Well, that's not going to last very long, is it?
No, but on the remote control, if you pinch them out the remote, it's got two usually. That's to get one.